Today we are here to celebrate and congratulate Aarti for her extraordinary achievement that she had in the recent past. Aarti, one of the studious students and tutors of our institute, she has really made us proud. First, by scoring 8 band in IELTS, and then getting visa to accomplish her dream to settle abroad. We really congratulate her, and it will be a great sense of pride to share her achievement with our team members and with all of you. One thing that one thing that I want all of you to look up to her is one of her traits of never giving up. And this is one of the qualities that you need to inherit from her. It is only because of that attitude she was able to live up to my expectations as well as her family members. So I still remember the day when her husband came to our office for the first time, and he was a bit investigative about the environment, about the staff, and some other factors. But somehow I was able to convince him, and it is only because of that day that she's with us. And thank you, Aarti ma'am, for your achievement or for your contribution to our institute. And now share your experience with us, being a part of this institute as a student as well as a tutor.
Thank you so much, sir. What to say, I don't know. Actually, I scored 9 in listening or 8 in reading just because of him. Because he guided me in a very perfect way. He gave me the skills to write the essay so that I could achieve 7 or 7+ in writing. So I think the only word which can I say to him is a big thanks, and I'll always respect you from the core of my heart. And thank you for all of you for making my day, and don't give up in your lives, and do whatever you want to do and achieve your goals with great dedication and sincerity. Always follow his advices because he is a wonderful man.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now, sir, you come here.